world of Morga. So for today's video, I am showing you guys how I achieve these beautiful curls using perm rods. Now, I decided to do a perm rod set because we are still in lockdown due to coronavirus. So that means hair salons are still closed, which means I can't go get my silk press. I can't go get a new set of braids. I don't really feel like straightening or putting heat on my hair right now. So I'm just gonna try to protective style it out on my own hair. And my first style is perm rods. Love them, love how to achieve them. It's super easy, super simple. It just takes overnight. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. So first, I'm starting off with blow dried hair, and I'm going to take my Miel hair oil and I am going to rub this all throughout my hair. So the main products I'm going to use to set the perm rods is a Lot of Body Setting Lotion and Cream of Nature Foaming Mousse. They both dry fast, won't make my hair flaky, and they make the curls full of body and shine. So I'm going to go ahead and part my hair. Now I'm going to be working from the back of my hair to the front of my hair. And I also don't have a specific method that I do. I usually just part in sections and then just grab the hair. I am not a parter at all. And I'm just going to go ahead and get started. So one thing I did want to point out is that when you are about to go and secure the perm rod to your hair, you want to make sure you are securing it on top of your hair and not to the side or underneath your hair, because by securing it on the top, the perm rod is going to stay in place and be very tight and secure. If you don't secure it on top of the hair, it's going to be very loose and it's going to completely fall and probably come apart. So I'll show you. So I just secured it on the side. Now it's still kind of tight here, but it is a little loose at the root. And then I'm going to show you guys what happens when you secure it underneath the hair. So I'm about to secure it and boom, it just completely fell because I didn't secure it on top of the hair, but I secured it underneath. So just a pro tip, always secure your perm rods on top of the hair so they can stay in place. So basically my perm rod process includes adding the product to my hair, combing through the hair, and then I twist my hair from the root to halfway down, and then I attach the perm rod and twist my hair up to the root, and then I secure the perm rod on top of my hair and not underneath for a secure and tight hold. And then I do this process across my entire head. So I sprayed my hair with some oil sheen off camera, and then I am just taking my scarf and I am going to basically wrap up my hair to cover and protect the curls while I sleep. And then I will come back tomorrow and show you guys my takedown process. Okay guys, it is the next day and I'm about to show you guys how I take down my perm rods. I put a little makeup on and I got dressed for the full effect. So you want to make sure you have some oil, and then I'm just going to take a little bit, put it on my hands, rub that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start taking them down. I'm just gonna grab one. Ooh, yes. Okay guys, here's what my hair looks like after taking the perm rods out. Very curly. This one's kind of straight, but we can hide it. And yeah, super cute. And now we're gonna pick them apart. So my hands are already oily because I put oil on them at the beginning, but I'm just gonna add a little bit more. Rub that around, and now time to pick them apart. So you're just gonna take the strands and then separate them. So I'm trying to find one. So basically I started twisting them at the root before I added the perm rod last night. So basically what I'm doing now is I'm going to slowly untwist the twist that I created at the root, split those in two, and then I'm also going to split those into two pieces. So basically, I'm splitting two pieces into four pieces. So at night, to take care of your hair, you are gonna wanna pineapple your hair. So basically taking whatever scarf you have and then tying your hair up like this. And then in the morning, when you take your scarf off, you just wanna pick through your hair and then puff it out. And then you should be all good to go. And then also throughout the days, depending upon how long you wear the style or how long it lasts, you can use like oil sheen or whatever spray you use on your hair to keep it shiny and looking nice and moisturized. I'm gonna put some earrings in real quick. All right, and there we have it. Perm rod set. It's super cute. I can't wait for it to drop. When they drop a little bit, they're so beautiful. They're beautiful now, but like I said earlier, I like love the messy, like not put together look. So super excited to see what they look like tomorrow morning. And then also feel free to like style the front if you want. I know sometimes I like wearing it up like this. Oh, that's cute. I actually might put it up. I might put a clip in there like this, or I'll like split it. Ooh, go ahead. Split it and like lay my edges down and like wear it like this. Cute. All right, but for now I'm just gonna leave it out like this for the rest of the day probably. And there we go. Okay guys, this is the final look. I absolutely love these so much. I haven't done perm rods in I don't know how long, so we'll see how long these last. I'm hoping to like Saturday at least. I'll be happy with that. If you like this video and you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. There's a lot more content on the way, and there's already 4 videos on my channel right now that you can watch and engage with and like as well. But yeah, that's all for today, and thank you again so much for watching.